has really been waiting for this lottery winner for a long time. Start with a little bit of sticker cream. Take out this air cushion I usually use. After feeling the sticker cream, I don't know if I'm running out of this air cushion. How to get out? So skin-friendly. Use Me to our sharp lips. This color. This body lotion is really good. I finger it the whole time. Shot open. You go to a large area. The whole makeup today. The hue basically comes from this. Multi-purpose cream. It doesn't matter if you go love. Won't be special. Very light. Sadness. Can really wear this today. Light powder. Of course, I think the bottom line is still. It's also a step to bring a little light. I don't want to speak. I can't be the part it ain't working 'cause you're perfect and I know. But you're working. I can't walk away. But the highlight must be on. It's really better today. The color is still very white. Don't forget like this. Found that the chin was not on the scale. Red gave him a little more. I feel like using a whiter foundation for this makeup may look better. You won't find no one that's better. 'Cause I'm right for you. I think I'm right for you, fuck me. Hate it when you cry. It ain't working, 'cause you're perfect and I know that you're worth it. I can't shook away. Regardless of add up. I give. Use this lipstick. I could have taken good care of you yesterday. Nice color. Just every day. Also deepen our lower eyeshadow. Deepen as much as possible. The second half is brought between our eyes. Pull the remaining powder again, under our eyes. Use this color to add it separately. Deepen it again. Increase the layering of our eyeshadow. Find the location of our eyeshadow hook. Draw him a mole. Start where the eye is hooked. I only realize when I look at my makeup. How do I draw? So many steps. I don't feel anything when I draw. A fan-shaped double eyelid sticker was attached, mainly to increase the exposure of our pupils. Clip your eyelashes. Brush mascara. This mascara has a setting effect. Brush the upper and lower eyelashes. Use this reddish brown. Deepen it again. Our outer eyeliner. In this color. It's not good to hold makeup later. So you can change it. Other eyeshadow. Anyway, reddish brown and dark brown are okay. Just don't choose the black one. Like eyeliner. Pull back. Pull it out a little bit along our eye shape. Or deepen it with this color. Our bottom to second half. And the corners of our eyes. Paint our Aegyo with this color. Well, these colors match. The color system is very uniform. Aegyo don't draw too wide. Try to be as narrow as possible. Natural Aegyo saliva. The cigarette will pack him back a little bit. Brighten up our Aegyo with this pink. Brush the mascara again. Make our eyelashes look thicker. Stick one of these brown false eyelashes. I don't like the feeling of false eyelashes. No more false eyelashes. It doesn't matter. It doesn't make much difference whether this is posted or not. Use our eyeliner pen again. This one is also a chestnut brown. Lighter brown. Sketch the end of our eyes. And our lower limbs. And the color of the eyes is very natural anyway. Basically can't see it. But wearing makeup will be much better than eyeshadow. Use R1. The color of blush is a little bit Milk Apricot Milk Orange. Very light, very light. In Nagashima, this flash is really beautiful. Beautiful. I felt so beautiful when I first came on stage. Oh my god. It feels like it should be beautiful in the luminous light. It's that feeling that doesn't work. A little bit on the lips. A little eye. Aegyo saliva too. Cheekbones too. But this highlight is not very suitable for such cheekbones. Types of highlights. Lip line drawing like Fate lip line. My back lip. In fact, the difference between painting and not painting is really not big. I'm just optimistic that everyone draws. It's weird that I don't draw. It is customary to add this step. Use the brush on the other end to give it smudge nature. Smudge to the middle of the lips. Take out this lip glaze. Make a bottom line first. This lip glaze looks good. It's still the same, it's smudging nature, makes our lip line less obvious. It's just a little tender. Take out our sexual foundation. Semi-sensitive lip. Set him this piece around the lip. A little more lip glaze. If you like matte, you don't need to go this step.